Hello, welcome to this section where we will see how we can install processing and use the Processing IDE. So in order to install processing, we have to go and download the IDE at processing.org, and we will see how you can explore the Processing IDE, and we will run a basic processing application. So to start with, um, go to Internet Explorer or any browser, go to processing.org. There you can see you can have a link to download processing, and click on download processing, and um, it should give you certain links uh, where we can download. And currently we are in processing version 1.5 IDE, so you also have various um, other ports available for different operating system. Um, so our goal is to install um, so we click on the Windows, and as you can see, the download would start. We can save it. So and then we will try to extract it and then run our IDE, so you can actually have save. So I've actually completed this process, so I'm just going to go to the downloading section. So as you can see, we go to processing. I already have processing software downloaded, and if you try to unzip it or just double click on it, and you should see that processing folder. Similarly, you would go to the folder you wanted to unzip it, and then you can just pretty much extract it. So, and the extraction should be creating folders called processing on your machine. As you can see that so the processing is so once the processing is folder has been unzipped, so you can go to the folder. So you can see that's our processing folder which we just unzipped, and just invoking the IDE, you just simply double click on processing, and the processing IDE should open. So this is a processing IDE. So it has a basic few toolbars. So you can see the file, you can go to examples. Example window will appear, which will have the different examples. So that these are the various examples which you are available, and these are the built-in libraries which are already there, and there are also some examples of basic um, um, sketches in processing, and also there are other tools where you can import a library. So we'll see that in the following module, how you can import certain libraries in processing. So in this case, we are just going to simply use, you know, um, let's say, for example, an application, say, for example, mouse 1D. So just double clicking that will open your sketch, and similarly this is also based on uh, wiring, and so you have two components in each sketch, or each program has two components. One is called a setup and the other one is draw. So compilation is just simply running the application, and as you can see, once you run the application, the processing would compile and then execute the code. So this is our application. So you can see when I go on to this, it tells you it's basically some kind of an animation where the mouse gesture is modified as bringing forward and backward to a 1D box.